Hi there. We're about to get into gear in this turbocharged regular season matchup, and I just dare Jim to deny it.
I don't deny it.
That's because you don't dare.
Whatever. Yzerman gets the pass from Legacy. Shanahan. Nieuwendyk scoops up the loose puck. Smith, Legacy, makes the save. Chelios. Yager, one time from the left, scores, top shelf.
Incredible plays are like box office smash hits. Everyone wants to make one, and the fans love to watch them.
Detroit is putting on an incredible display of hockey prowess.
I'm seeing it, and I'm not believing it, but I am liking it.
Yager corrals the puck. Blocked. Morrow. Lacroix got the puck. Blocked. He grabs the puck. Chelios. Edmonton gets it. Lacroix. Legacy kicked it aside. Chelios with the puck. Yager got it. Pizza gets a hold of it. Morrow. Scooped up by Edmonton. Larocque gets checked. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Detroit gobbles it up. Solani. Fedorov grabs it. Steos scoops it up. Robitaille. Salo denies him.
And had he been playing croquet, that would have been an amazing shot.
Salo hangs on for the whistle. Running. Breakaway. Running. He scores. It just crossed the line, but it counts.
Did you see those moves? He's got more nip and tuck than a plastic surgeon.
Detroit lets the lead slip through its fingers.
Are you surprised? Look at the size of those gloves they're wearing. You can't exactly do needlework with those on.
Robitaille. Detroit has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down.
The pain appears to be too much. They're taking him out of this game for now.
Maybe for the night.
We'll wait for an update on the extent of his injuries. Smith. Zubov gets the shot off. Smith grabs the puck. Grattan corrals it. It's one-on-one. Grattan shoots quickly. He misses the net. Ferguson fires hard. Salo hangs on for the whistle. Shoots quickly. Kuba gets in the way. Ronning. Breakaway! Hard shot! Brilliant save by Legacy!
Right back at you! Booyah!
Yzerman. Yager shot the puck! Edmonton puts its scoring line out. Green. Ronning now has the puck. Once the glass is replaced, the game will continue. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Dopita fired hard from the left. Legacy made the save. Marchment takes control of the puck. Pizza. Pittis. He gets laid out.
He rolled over him like a tank over a tin can.
Fedorov. Maltby. Fires! Salo close the door. Lacroix. Morrow. He takes possession of the puck. Pisa took it. Detroit takes over. Linden. The first is now over. Detroit looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing a puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim. It's safe to say that was a good old-fashioned tooth and nail of a first period.
You bet, Don, and as we head into the second, let's see who jumps ahead. Yager, Chelios, gets called for a two-line offside pass and play is stopped. Steos shoots the puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Kuba with the puck. Fedorov is going to the box for cross-checking.
Jim?
Yes?
How long is this penalty for?
2 minutes. Detroit will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Yzerman shoots the puck from the left. Save by Salo. Zubov gets the pass from Salo. Edmonton wins the race and beats out the icing call. Detroit is relieved its player is out of the box and can concentrate on getting a goal instead of killing a penalty. Larac. Nieuwendyk, one-time shot. Yzerman gets the pass from Legacy. Fedorov corrals the puck. He's in the clear. Yzerman one-times it. Save by Salo. Running. He gets laid out. Fedorov scoops up the loose puck. Chelios gets hammered.
All in all, he'd rather be fishing, and/or golfing, and/or sailing.
Maltby now has the puck. Salani, wrist shot. Salo denied him. Running, took the puck. It's one-on-one. Brewer shoulders him.
And he gives him a massive case of that's gotta hurt.
Maltby, heavy shot. Salo made the save. Running. Zubov now has the puck. Smith taunted the defender with one hand on his stick.
Then to top it off, left him in his tracks.
He intercepts the pass. Nieuwendyk scores! The goalie was way out of position there, Don.
Yeah, but at least he looked good doing it. It's a perfect example, Jim. Rinse, lather, repeat. Go to the net and get rewarded. Sorry, I was thinking about my hair again.
That leaves them down a goal.
No need to panic yet. Cooler heads will prevail.
Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Morrow runs over Chelios. Salo stoned him. Gilmore gets the pass from Salo. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Grabbed by Detroit. Delayed penalty coming up for Edmonton. Lacroix is going off for elbowing.
And this infraction brings his team's penalty minutes to a total of, let's see here, carry the 2, divide the 3. They're at 5,163.
What?
All right, so I need a couple.
Edmonton will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
Salo hangs on for the whistle. Nieuwendyk jumps on the loose puck. Lacroix sees his penalty expire and jumps back on the ice. Yager gets laid out. Gilmore with the puck. Nieuwendyk, backhand. He hits Yzerman. Carter pushes Yager. Maltby shoots the puck from the right. Ninema takes it. Smith is in the clear. Legacy stones him.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Carter takes control of the puck. It's one-on-one. Smith scoops up the loose puck.
In the second period.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Hecht. Smolinski shoots the puck. Edmonton jumps on it.
You know, Jim, if I had my way, I'd give out free Zamboni rides between periods.
Completely futile in the stadium.
We're seeing two evenly matched combatants in this one, Don.
I love it.
Me too, Don. Nieuwendyk gets bumped off the puck.
There's a hit that fell from old-time hockey heaven.
Brewer fires it hard. Salo turned the shot aside. Maltby with a wrist shot. Zubov stops the shot. Salani jumps on the loose puck. Fedorov. Edmonton takes control. Detroit touches up for icing. Lidstrom shoots, blocked. Running. Chelios straight arms him.
All hail the king of heavy hits.
Shanahan controls the puck. Chelios touches up for icing. Oates wins the draw. Ference fires it.
Now, if only he could have hit the net with that.
Kuba takes control of the puck. Shoots! Stick save by Legacy.
Try again later, fellows.
Legacy stones him cold. Linden. Pitt looks like trouble, Don.
Yeah, Jim, two high pressure fronts have met, and it looks like we're in for a storm. Wow, he nailed him there. After a hit like that, a guy could launch a solo career.
Detroit
The face-off goes to the Red Wings.
Scott
Shanahan.
A 5-minute major for
Fired it! Gigantic save!
He's got funk in his trunk, Jim. No question about it.
Yager. Shanahan gets shoved. Chelios takes possession of the puck. Carter, he has his pocket pick. Iserman gets hold of the puck. Shanahan with a one-timer. Salo made the save. Salo freezes the puck.
Moving on up. All fans sitting in section 321, row 17, congratulations.
Morrow.
You're being moved to row 3 of the lower bowl.
Lacroix blasts one. Yager grabs it. Edmonton touches up for the icing call. The face-off goes to Edmonton. Iserman gets in the way. Iserman. Yager now has the puck. Iserman gets checked.
Kind of felt like he was holding back there, Jim, and it makes me angry.
Smith grabs the puck. He gets laid out.
Don't worry, Jim. He'll be eating solid food again in no time.
The Oilers dump the puck in. Grattan gets the pass from Legacy. Carter knocked him off. Pittis scores upstairs.
Funny how a goal always makes someone's day and spoils it for another.
Detroit must have been heartbroken when the puck went in on that play.
But they can't lose sight of this game. There's still enough time for them to grab this one out of the bag.
Brewer, wrist shot, denied by Salo. Salo closed the door. Gilmore. Morrow grabbed the puck. He dumps it. Detroit takes possession. Maltby. Maltby shoots it. Saved by Salo. Morrow.
In the third period.
Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Hecht one-times it. Blocked. Ronning.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Marchment takes control of the puck. He has his pocket pick. The door is shut by Legacy.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Shanahan shoots the puck. Salo made the brilliant save. Salo hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the scores! Detroit has precious little time to score again.
They need to set up, take lots of shots at the net, and bang at the rebounds. That could do it.
Legacy shut the door.
And by number 19, Steve Eisenman.
Yager shoots the puck from the left. It's all over now. Detroit are on the losing side tonight, Don.
The goalie did the best he could, but he was facing a steady barrage of vulcanized rubber. I'm surprised he hasn't got a bad case of puck shock.
Third star for Detroit, number 24, Chris Chelios.